Oh. Hello, Dr. John with the Kilted Chiropractor. Today we're here with Hunter, who's been in this clinic for a number of years and likes to have injuries from working too hard. So, Hunter, what's going on with you today?
Oh, today my wrist and whatever joint is in my leg right here and my lower back a lot hurting.
How long has that been going on?
My hip has been hurting for probably like 4 years overall. My wrist the last 3 days, I'd say.
Okay.
My back probably just about every day. Yeah.
I know you started in the clinic when you were like 14 or 15.
Yeah, something like that.
So as a teenager, you were coming in pretty consistently with your mom, I think. And then we also talked about some of the injuries over the years that you had with mountain biking. Tell us about one that you had.
Well, my left collarbone here, I have a plate and 7 screws holding me together.
Yeah.
And nothing I can do is parallel. If I were to bench press, I have to have this one down and this one up a little bit.
It's almost impossible to fix you guys.
Yeah.
We're working on stuff. And every time I think about, I'm going to go mountain bike, learn how to do this stuff, I talk to you and I realize broken bones do not do well with chiropractors.
Yeah, no.
Broken wrists, hands, so I'm like, I got to find a different sport to go drag. Well, what I want to work on today is the soft tissue work, neck, shoulders, kind of clean up the body, get an adjustment in there and see if we can get you feeling better before you head off to more work and stand all day. It's like work 10-hour days or something standing.
Yes, sir.
That's rough. That's hard work for you.
Oh, yeah.
But hey, you're talking about going to college soon, so let's make sure you
save
get
up.
there. That's okay. Everybody starts somewhere. So what I want to do is let's get you over here on the other table, and then we're going to get started and see what we can find and fix for you, especially that hip and those hands. All right?
Yes, sir.
That's a brutal scar there, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. So that's the trauma right through there, and that surgery in the plate. Oh, you still mountain bike?
Yep.
Yeah. Athletes, you guys never stop. Okay. So I know we got some trigger points up here we're going to work on. I'm going to palpate the neck here, Hunter. Anything tender, just let me know.
I'm actually on the right over here. I didn't know that was like that.
Right in there. Okay, little upper trap, levator, we'll work on those. Let's go this side here. Oh, wait a minute, we got some restricted motion over here. Right there. Now, how's that feel?
Actually feels kind of good.
Feels decent, alright. Back to center. You're saying you were getting some hip discomfort earlier too, on this side. So let's just... How's that feel right there?
Just like a lump or something.
Yeah. So, okay, I'll work on that. Right there. Okay, I'll work on Is that tender at all?
A little bit.
A little bit. Okay. Any tenderness through here as we work? Just touching.
That second pinpoint.
Right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. That's good to know. Alright, let's check some basic. What I'm going to do is just do some. Bring your arm up for me. Hold that right there. Hold tight, don't let me push your arm down. Pretty weak on this one. Hold tight. Got some tone here, but a little weak over there. Let's do the right to the triceps. Bring the arm down. Bring that arm to the center. I want you to push up like a tricep extension, so push as hard as you can. Try again, push. Not too bad, bring this up. Push as hard as you can. That's weak there. Alright, I'll work on that one. Let's do our bicep reflex here. I'm going to hold here. I'm going to push straight down on the arm. Hold tight. It's got full power. Let's go over here. I'm going to push straight down. Hold tight. It's got good power. Are you working out on a regular basis too?
No, they close my chin down.
But you were working out.
Yes, sir.
It's got some good muscle tone through here. Little weakness on the left though. Alright, so what I want to do, let's just start doing the muscle work here. So let's switch. there a lot of tenderness here?
Oh yeah.
All right. Shoot you in the chest just a little bit. I'm gonna open this up. Hang on, I'm gonna clean this back a little bit. Oh. Alright, so you might jump. Okay?
Yep.
You didn't flinch. There's a seal there, dude. Alright, now, I want to do a fine tuning on something here real quick. I'm gonna just work here for a second. Take a little breath for me. Oh, yeah. All right, we'll clear that one. Okay. All right, let's fix the rest of this. Come on up for me. Well, let's put your shirt back on here. I'm going to stay over here. There we go. Right there was that one. let's fine tune that lower back, okay? Let's bring these legs in here. I'm gonna pull, hold tight for me, don't let me pull your legs over. I can still move that one, so we're gonna have to do some work there. So rest your head, you're gonna push right here for me. Like we've done before, good. Take a deep breath in, let the air all the way out.
Oh yeah, I felt that.
Oh yeah. Let's check that nerve root there now. Hold tight. Can't even move it now. That's good, let's check the other side. Hold tight. Good and strong. Jump down. Hold the leg right there. I'm gonna push. Hold tight. Try again. See how weak that is.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's fix that one. Hold tight. Oh, they're both weak. So I'm gonna figure out what side it wants. Let me have your arm here. This one by your side. Hold tight for me. And do a reflex. Strong on the left. Weak right there. Push right here for me. Do that one. Deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're moving good today. Hold tight. Better?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Let's see if it cleared this side too. Better. Okay. Let's do the abductors. Both legs up. Squeeze really tight. Nice. Center down. Toes towards the ceiling. Towards your head. Hold tight. Look at that. That's pretty weak. Try again. That's weak. Hold tight here. Which one? Hold tight for me. Hold by your side. Strong there. Weak there. Push right there for me. Down low. Your hip was sore today too. This one, right?
Yeah, it was giving me a shock because I was walking out.
Deep breath in. All that.
Yes, sir.
Hold that foot. Nice and strong. Yeah. Hold tight. Nice and strong. Rest your head. Work on that hip for a second. Hold that leg right there. Hold tight. I'm going to push in. Still a little weak on that. Let's fix it. Hold. One more time. Hold. Hold. One more. There. Hold. There it is. All right, let's fix this. Hold. Got it. Here, hold. Good. Sit up, you still hold. Now this left side was really weak, so I want to make sure that that's working. Bring this all the way out. Hold right there for me. That's stronger. Let's do the triceps. Push this up as hard as you can. That's strong. Push. That's strong. Hold again. One more time. I'm gonna have you look down towards the floor. Hold. See that? Drops. Let me check something else too. Tuck your chin to chest. Push as hard as you can in my hand. Turn this way, look down. And there's the weakness right there. Okay, we're gonna fix that. On your back. On your back. All back. Retraction. Let's see if we're on there. Head up for me. All the way down. Deep breath. Let's see if we got a win here. Turn the head this side, look down, push in as hard as you can. Look at that. Hold tight, as strong as you can. Nice. All right, sir. Stand up and walk for a second. Take a deep breath. How's that hip feeling?
Better.
Better? I want to check it one more time. Do a little quick walk up and down. I always like to load it under gravity and see if it stays. Perfect. All right, on your back. Let's do a couple of quick checks. Make sure we got this. We have like here, hold tight. I'm gonna push in. Nice. Tight. Nice. Hold here. Push. Good. Push. Good. And since you have 10-hour days of standing, I'm gonna work on your feet real quick, and then I'm gonna fix that wrist.
All right.
Deal?
Yes, sir.
You might have the loudest toes I've ever heard in my life. Go up to a seat. Oh,
I've
okay.
actually fractured it right here before.
Okay. All right. I'm just gonna try. I'm gonna grab hold. I'm gonna traction out that. How old is that fracture?
Same time this happened, so I'd say about.
So you fractured your wrist and crushed your collarbone. And you still bike ride.
Yep.
Wow. That's craziness. Now they didn't do any surgery on this.
No.
I'm not gonna try. No, I'm not gonna give me any more. Let's do it in here. I'm gonna do one other adjustment real quick though before I let you play on that wrist. Sometimes it moves, sometimes it don't. Don't go anywhere. Let's go over here. Just like to get in there and move it a little bit. There, it's moving. Feel the difference how I can move it around now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's moving. Move that wrist around and see if you... Feeling okay?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Anything else we didn't work on that needs to be worked on?
Not that I think of, no.
Alright, well now it's time to go play.